Overview of the 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafaq, 2009, is a best-selling novel blending historical fiction with contemporary drama. It explores Sufi spirituality through parallel narratives, one set in 13th century Anatolia, focusing on the poet Rumi and his mentor Shams of Tabriz, and another in modern-day Massachusetts, following Ella Rubenstein, a housewife transformed by reading a manuscript about Rumi's life. The book sold over 750,000 copies in Turkey and France and won the Prix Elif for foreign literature. Key features and themes. 1. Dual narrative structure. 13th century story chronicles the intense, transformative relationship between Shams, a wandering dervish, and Rumi, a scholar who becomes a mystic poet under Shams' guidance. Shams' 40 Rules of Love challenge rigid religious dogma and emphasize universal unity. Modern story. Ella, an unhappily married mother, discovers Sweet Blasphemy, a novel within the novel, and corresponds with its author, Aziz Sahara. This mirrors Rumi's awakening, as Ella abandons her conventional life for spiritual and emotional liberation. 2. The 40 Rules. Sufi principles woven into the narrative, such as, the path to the truth is a labor of the heart, not of the head. Key themes include rejecting ego, embracing love as divine unity, and accepting suffering as part of spiritual growth. Examples. Rule 6. Intellect and love are made of different materials. Love dissolves all tangles. Rule 28. Past and future veil God from our sight, burn them both. 3. Sufi philosophy. Challenges literalist interpretations of Islam, represented by the character the Zealot. Emphasizes oneness, tawhid, inner transformation, and love transcending religious boundaries. Symbolism. Each chapter starts with B, Arabic, to reflect Sufi beliefs about the Quran's spiritual essence. 4. Controversies. Criticized by some for its unorthodox portrayal of Islamic tenets, such as scenes where Shams frequents taverns or reinterprets Quranic verses. A critical review accused it of promoting blasphemy by depicting Shams as superior to prophets and normalizing heresy. 5. Reception and legacy. Praise. Hailed for lyrical prose and emotional depth. The Times called it a gorgeous, jeweled, luxurious book. Awards. Won the Prix Elif and featured on BBC's 2019 list of 100 most influential novels. Impact. Readers describe it as life-changing, sparking interest in Rumi's poetry and Sufism. Author's intent and research. Shafaq, influenced by her PhD in political science and gender studies degree, aimed to bridge Eastern and Western perspectives on love, patriarchy, and spirituality. She spent years researching Rumi and Sufism but prioritized emotional truth over strict historical accuracy, allowing characters to guide the narrative. Balanced perspective. Introduces Sufism accessibly to modern audiences. Simplifies complex theology, controversial reinterpretations of Islam. Empowers themes of female self-discovery, Ella's arc. Some find Ella's storyline cliched or underdeveloped. Conclusion. Who should read it? Ideal for readers seeking spiritual fiction exploring love beyond dogma, multi-layered narratives connecting past/present, controversial but thought-provoking reinterpretations of Islamic mysticism. Avoid if preferring strict theological accuracy or uncomfortable with mystical syncretism. For deeper exploration, refer to Shafaq's interviews on Sufism or critical analyses